All right, today is an exciting day. I got something really cool in the mail that I've been waiting for, and I'll show it to you guys right now. So, in this box are the hood vents. So these are the Singular Motorsport Hood Louvers or hood vents for the NC Miata. And these are like super durable, high quality. They're anodized black. I mean, it's some like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's some pretty thick metal. It's a good sized metal. So, super excited for these. With it, we have the rivet nuts, not rivet nuts, rivets. Rivets? Yeah. So they come with the rivets, and in this is the NC template, so we know where to put it on our hood. And that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm hoping that we can get this done. I'm gonna look up instructions online, and I think what we're gonna have to do is, just to make it easier, we're just gonna take off the hood on the car. I'm assuming that might be the best way to do it, but I'm gonna look it up. So stay tuned, we'll get this done. All right, so first thing that we need to do, we need to open up this guy, which is the template. It's almost like a big piece of vinyl, I guess. Lay it out this way. It says to make sure that the surface of the sticker is applied to the vinyl, so I'm just gonna do like some quick little rubbing. All right, next step, we are gonna take our louvers and we need to bend them out. So, I'm trying to figure out which side is the front. I think this is the front, which it is. And I guess this has like a, it's called a front gurney. So I need to bend that out. And the way they do it, they have it on their desk. You just push it, I guess. That looks 90 degrees, and the rest just need to go like, and the remaining fins behind, so it goes 45 degrees. So we'll just start doing this then. That looks about right to me. I'm just gonna do the second one. All right, so here they are kind of laid out. Everything is all even on both sides. And I think the next step is to put the template on the hood. Everything is measured. It's pretty centered. Actually, it's got to be really centered, but yeah. only got one shot at this. Once you cut it, there's no going back. So I don't know if I'm gonna take the hood off. It said you didn't have to, but I think I might just leave. I don't know what to do. I might just leave the hood on and cover the engine with a blanket or something. Alright, so everything is all taped up. Everything's covered, the engine bay, windshield. So now begins the cutting portion of this, which I'm pretty nervous about, but it should be good. There's nothing to be nervous about. It'll be fine, I hope. Alright, so the initial cuts are done. Came out pretty good. Can't complain too much about that. We're gonna have to figure something out for the corners, but otherwise, I think we're in business. No turning back now. Alright, there's the two pieces. You can see through the hood. I guess I need to cut out this bottom part now. So we'll do that right now. There's two big holes in the hood now. There's all the pieces. So we should be good to, I need to like file out that edge on the top left and the top right. And then I guess we drill next. This part is kind of hard. I'm trying to hurry because it's obviously nighttime now, and I don't want to keep people up. But once I get to the drilling part, I will catch back up with you right there. Alright, I'm hoping that caught some, but I put the rubber trim in. I gotta do this a little bit backwards from the instructions because I don't have any bolts to hold it in, so I need to rivet it in first and then drill the rest of the bolts from the bottom, and then we'll be good. But it's looking good. I'm really happy with this. I'm excited to get the louvers actually in and do that. Alright, it's tough to see. Well, I guess you can see it in the light. That looks awesome. It's pretty spot on perfect. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think it came out really good. I just need to finish riveting everything by drilling some other holes. And then I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll show you the final. Alright, I'm hoping that you can see me because it's pretty dark out now. But I think this is probably one of my favorite mods I've done in the car. It looks so awesome. Alright, I'm gonna spin you around now. Here it is, the hood louvers, the Singular hood louvers on the NC Miata. I'm so happy about it. It's really hard to tell. Okay, there you go. So there it is. It's still dusty, and I gotta take the blankets off, but man, it looks awesome. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment below and tell me what you guys think. I'd love to know your opinion, although I've wanted to do this forever, so I'm not really gonna care that much. Just FYI, if you're gonna hit that dislike button. But these are so awesome. So quality is awesome. Everything's all riveted on. The install came out really clean considering we like hacked the hood up with an angle grinder. So the install is super clean. Everything's tight on. Everything's adjusted the way it should be. The front, can't remember what these are called, but they're the same way they need to be. And yeah, so the only thing is just these little angles of rubber, but at least they match. I'm not really that worried about it. It doesn't look bad. So yeah, there it is. This is what they look like from behind. You can probably see down into the engine bay, but there's still a blanket down there, so I'll show you afterwards. I'm gonna take the blanket off and get all this crap off the front of it. Alright guys, there it is. Hood louvers are done. Car is all cleaned up. I mean, it's wiped down. It still needs to be cleaned, but that's probably for tomorrow. But yeah, I think this is awesome. It's gonna be kind of tough to see, but you can kind of see down into the engine bay. So what they look like from behind. And yeah, so that's it. You'll probably be able to see them in the daytime, maybe in the next video, whichever video that is. And yeah, so I can't quite quit talking about it. I really love these. I think they came out perfect. So yeah, wow. So big thank you to Singular Motorsports and Goodwin Racing. I bought these with my own money, but I just want to say thank you for selling them. It was a pretty easy kit, and these fit perfectly. I mean, they came with the template, came with detailed instructions, everything. So big shout out to Singular Motorsports for putting all that together and for providing a awesome product. So tuning video still coming. It's coming, okay? I wanted to get this done. I like doing mod videos. I got these in, I wanted to do them. So it'll come, don't worry. More videos are coming, I promise. I'm really liking the way the car's coming. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. If you haven't already, hit subscribe below. I'd really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for over 700 subscribers. This is really big, and I'm really excited. So I'm really tired, really sweaty. I'm gonna go in and get some rest and check this out tomorrow. So like I said, hit that subscribe button below, leave a like, leave your comments, and I will see you in the next one.